Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2017 Honda 1000cc Africa Twin. This adventure style bike has just under 5,600 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Front tire looks like it's in decent shape. Comes with a clear windscreen with a adjustable wing on the front of it. It also has the hand guards with aftermarket adjustable levers. Got a little damage on the tank right there. It also comes with Tusk hard side cases, luggage rack, CB cord. Back tire looks in decent shape. And again, the hard side boxes by Tusk. It also comes with a tank bag. And we've got some damage on the left side here. And then our hand grips again. Back of the mirror. Okay, show you those miles now. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you is it's got two media mounts here as well. $55.77 is what's on it. This 2017 Africa Twin will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.